So today we will use the bundles and the frontal, the dark blue brown, the bundles and the frontal, the ear to ear, 13x4 frontal, and with the wig cap, with this cap. We're going to show you how we make the lace frontal wig with very luxury full density hair. The wig. So we will separate different videos, but we will combine the videos together to show you in the complete videos. So in one video, you will see different small videos about making the lace frontal wigs for our customers. This one, and the bundles, this. So let's see the videos.
对吗？甜吗？
这个绳要比一啊，跟这儿了。不是还比一有数啊。
去上那个服装品是吧
This is the very luxury full volume. The dark blue, brown, lace frontal wig. We just made it. Only took half day. Let me show you the artwork. So after our customers receive the wig, they will need to cut this cloth in the front. They need to use the scissors to cut this out, and this is the front size, the lace here. So you can check the density. It's very, very full. This one. Here, show the back side. So I just also show you how we make the wig by the machine. Only took us half day if we are not very busy. Now a lot of customers want us to make this wig for them. You can see the hairline here, very natural. Here, the cap construction here. This is one of the cap construction we have. Lace frontal wig, this one, very full. And we can make different color hair and the texture. Also remember one of my videos I mentioned, the 360 wig. I will show you how we make it different from other vendors. This one. Only 3 bundles and 1 frontal to make this. And very high volume. Much higher density than other vendors. You can compare. This one. Okay, we'll show you more wigs in the next video.